Come and learn ABCs with my mommy Marchi,
where we learn and laugh and twirl, letters fun and facts that shine.
Let's start.
A is for airplane, airplane. Up, up in the sky, whoosh, whoosh, flying by, airplane. B is for boy, b. Boys are kind and love to create, always dreaming something great, b. Boy. C is for car, beep, beep. Let's take a ride, zoom, zoom, buckle inside, car. D is for drink, d. Sip, sip, hooray, drink water every day, d. Drink. E is for eat, eat. Nibble, munch it, chew it slow. In my belly it goes yummy, yummy. In my tummy, eat. F is for flower, flower. Sniff, sniff, what's that smell? I'm under nature's spell, flower. G is for girl, girl. Girls are go-getters, full of giggles and grace that always finish the race, girl. H is for hug, hug. Open arms, soft and tight. I feel the love, it feels just right, hug. I is for ice cream, ice cream. It's incredibly delicious. Eat it up fast because it's melt-delicious, ice cream. J is for jump, jump. In a bouncy house we jump, so high we reach the sky, jump. K is for kite, kite. It flies up so high, you better hold on tight, kite. L is for light, l. It shines so bright and it helps us see at night, light. M is for music, a magical sound that's so sweet, makes you tap your hands and move your feet, music. N is for numbers, 1, 2, 3, count with me so happily, for numbers. O is for open, open a door, open a mind, so many wonders you will find, O for open. P is for playground, playground. Let's go play, let's have fun all day, playground. Q is for quiet, shh. Just so you know, take it down, soft and low, quiet. R is for rainbow, rainbow. Drip, drip, drop, the sky turns gray, and ta-da, it's a rainbow day, rainbow. S is for shoe, shoe. Wiggle your toes, find your shoe, left foot, right foot, 1, 2, 1, 2, shoe. T is for train, choo choo, here comes the train.
All aboard.
Train. U is for up, reach the sky, up, so high, up. V is for veggies, veggies. Carrot, crunch, broccoli too. Veggies help me jump just like you, veggies. W is for water park, water park. A day at the water park is splashing fun, water park. X is for x-ray, x-ray time, hold it still, let's see your bones, what a thrill, x-ray. Y is for yes, thumbs up, without a doubt, I shout yes, yes. Z is for zoo, a zoo day is a good day to see some friends at the zoo and say, how do you do, zoo.
Thank you for coming.
Come back again, or just hit replay.
Please subscribe. Push that button. Bye-bye.